What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today, got a few boxes here. One just showed up this morning. The other one came the other day. Just got some new parts for GTR. So we got some new stuff here for the GTR. We got some new socks for the filters. You know, I put AEM filters in the car in the previous video. So we got this package from Visconti Tuning. Has some upgraded socks for the pumps. Cool little collector here, little billet deal, I think it is. Haven't even opened it yet. And we got some, look like we got couplers and stuff in this box. So that probably means it goes with that box. And we ordered all this from Speed by Design. Shout out to Chris Riggs. Gave me some insight on ordering this stuff. Right now, it's still stock turbos, stock motor. So got all of the stuff to adapt the race intercooler to stock piping for now. Based off of what his knowledge and stuff of the GTR, he said, since I'm still stock turbos, if it was him personally, he wouldn't go with the piping right away, because you might notice a little bit of lag, which is cool. I mean, it saved me some money, and that way I can have the race intercooler now, not having to buy another one later. But I have the big intercooler and all of the stuff to adapt to stock piping, so I won't lose the factory spool of the little turbos, and later on I can just go back and upgrade all the piping kit. So this is the couplers and all of that stuff, and in this box is the intercooler. Let's get this open and see what it looks like. Okay. Let's see here. Yep. Vibrant core. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to put his phone down. All right. And there she is. New race core. Got some nice mounting tabs on the side. So we're gonna get this thing installed here. Yep. Got new toys.
Turbo kit with that fucking.
Hey, turbo kit gotta come later. We gotta build a motor first. So, got a new intercooler we about to get put on here. Get rid of the stock deal. These damn things up. All this. Take all these clips out of here. I need a small. You know, all these daggone clips. Now you got more daggone clips. And bolts and screws to get all this off. Jeez. Man, who knew you had to take the whole entire front of the car off? And 1,000 bolts and screws and everything else.
Hey.
Just to get an intercooler. This is the joint that's going on here. But man, that ain't a pain in the butt. Gotta do a whole lot of trimming to the factory piece. All right, boys. We are done now. Finally. Man, I ain't have no idea that thing was gonna take that long to get stock intercoolers off and put race intercooler on. But it's all done now. Finally, get this thing back on the ground, torque the wheels, and let's take it on a test drive. See what make sure it ain't got no boost leaks or anything like that. So, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.